Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you the step-by-step process that how you can buy a SAP token on Coinstore. Here I successfully create an account on Coinstore. Then I have to deposit the USDT that I buy from Binance in the Coinstore account. Here you have to select USDT and select the chain name ERC20. Then you can see the address in which I have to deposit the USDT. You have to copy this address from here. Then go to the Binance. You have to go to your account dashboard, in which you have to select the withdraw option. You have to select the USDT. Then you have to enter the deposit address here. Then you have to select the network. Here I select ERC20. Then I have to enter the withdraw amount. So I am entering 20 USDT. Then I click on withdraw option. Now I successfully deposit USDT in my Coinstore account. You can see that. So the next step, I have to click on the market. Then here I have to search SAP token. You can see that. Now I click on this. Here you can see the current price of SAP token. Also you can see your USDT balance here and SAP balance here. So currently I have 5 USDT and 0 SAP token. Now I am going to buy it. Here I have two options to buy. The first one is limit order and the second one is market. A limit order lets you to set your own price. Example, if SAP is currently 0.01 USDT but you want to buy it at 0.008 USDT, you can place a limit order at 0.008. Your order will only execute if the price drop to 0.008 USDT. A market order buy SAP instantly at the current market price. You just enter how much SAP you want. Now I am going to buy the SAP token. You can see I have to enter the total volume in USDT. So I entered 2. I want a SAP token of 2 USDT value. Then I have to click on the buy option. Now I have to confirm the order. So now you can see that the SAP token of 2 USDT is added in my balance. Like you can see that 235.73 tokens are added. If you want to follow the step-by-step process, you can also check out my article which was published on CSAP Corner. You can see that here I mentioned each and every step for buying SAP token from Coinstore. So that's for today. If you like this video, don't forget to share and follow me on CSAP Corner. Thank you.